Hello, friends. Today we're making my all-time favorite, sweet potato pie from canned yams. This recipe is not only going to save you time, but you're going to be wondering why you've been spending all that time peeling.
We're going to start off with 2 cans of sweet potatoes. I've already drained the juice off of them. We're just going to add them to the bowl. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, ground nutmeg, one tablespoon of cinnamon, so now we're just going to mash these up. The sweet potatoes are nicely smashed. We're going to add a 3/4 cup of heavy cream. And go ahead and mix that up.
At this point, you can use a mixer to smooth the sweet potatoes out for a smoother consistency. But I like my sweet potatoes a little bit chunkier.
We're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of stevia. Now this is where you can add your sugar or brown sugar, whichever one you prefer. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. This is your binding agent. It's going to help the sweet potatoes stick together more firmly. So now at this point, you're gonna wanna taste it to make sure that it's sweet enough, that you got enough cinnamon, you got enough nutmeg to your tasting. Oh my goodness, this is good. Yep. So now it's time to add your eggs. You want to taste it before you add your eggs. So these are 2 eggs that I've already whipped up. So now we're just going to mix it up. This is going to be some good stuff. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Make sure you're giving it a good mix, because sometimes the egg will settle down at the bottom. So I'm using my favorite pie crust, which is Pillsbury. Go ahead and take it out. So now we're just going to pour the sweet potatoes Well, I'm kind of weak today, so we'll just spread the sweet potatoes. Into the pie crust.
The good thing about canned sweet potatoes is that you don't have to worry about the strings. You want to make sure you scrape all the filling out, making sure you get the very last bit.
So now we're just going to spread it out using your handy dandy spatula. We're going to shake it just so that it can cook evenly. Okay, so now we're going to pop these into the oven for about 1 hour at 350 degrees.
Once done, you're going to let them cool for about 30 minutes before eating.